Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful embroidered bubu with pleating at the lower part. It is very easy to make. So if you are interested to learn how to make this, sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below to subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's move right to the tutorial. For this first design, for the upper part, I use a brocade fabric. Then the lower part, I bought a ready-made pleated fabric in the market. So for the upper part, I bought 2.5 yards. Then for the lower part, I bought 3 yards. So I'm going to fold the 2.5 yards into 4 to cut the upper parts. This is how the lower part fabric looks like. It is a ready-made pleated material and I bought 3 yards. These 3 yards can sew 2 bubbles. Since I'm just using it for the lower part, so you can sew 2 bubbles. So if you are into ready to wear business, when you buy 3 yards of this ready-made pleated fabric, you can use it to make 2 bubbles. Then the upper part, I bought 2.5 yards. So I'm going to fold it into 4. Whenever I want to make embroidery design, I do not cut the neckline. The only thing I do is to draft the bodice and cut it out from my center back to where I want the sleeve to stop, then the wideness of the body and the length. Then I will take the fabric to give it to the embroidery design to design it for me. That's what I do. I do not cut the neckline. They are the one that will cut the neckline according to the design of the neckline that I give them to recreate for me. So I measure from my center back to 26 inches. Then for the wideness of the body, I measured 20 inches. I measured the 20 inches straight down. For the length, I measured 37 inches, including the joining allowance to join the lower fabric. You can use any measurements of your choice. Just measure from your shoulder to where you want the joining to start from, either from your shoulder to your knee or above your knee. It depends on your preference. So this is how I normally draft my fabric when I'm making embroidery design. If I'm using only one fabric, I will just draft to the hemline. Then I'll cut it out this way and give it to the embroidery designer to design it for me. So I'm going to bring the other fabric and fold it into 4. After folding the fabric into 4, you place it nicely on the table. Then you will place the upper part on it. Then I'm going to measure my gown length. My gown length, I measured 63 inches. I did not add hemming allowance to it because the lower part fabric, the edges is concealed. So there's no need to fold the hemline of this fabric. So you will just leave it that way. You will add 1 inch to your desired gown length to join the upper part and the lower part together. For example, I want the gown length to be 63 inches, but I'm going to measure 64 inches because I'm going to use 1 inch to join the upper part and the lower part together. After cutting, as you can see, the remaining fabric is enough to make another bubu. Then you will notch the center part to indicate the upper part of the fabric where you will join to the upper fabric and split the sides. You notch the upper part as well, the center of the upper part. So I'm going to use this upper part as pattern to cut on the remaining fabric. I'm actually making 3 of these styles and I'm using a different fabric. So for this second one, I use raw silk fabric, the non-stretchy raw silk. So I'll place the upper part on it and use it to trace it out. For this particular peach color, I bought 3 yards for the pleating for the lower part. So you will fold the 3 yards into 2, then you place it to cut your length. The folded edge of the lower part, you will split it into 2. Then you will cut your gown length just like we did with the previous one, but I used the total length of the fabric for mine. So after making your embroidery design, all you need to do is to pleat the lower part to the upper part, hem the sleeve opening, sew the sides, hem the down part, and that's about it for the dress. It is very easy to make. For this purple color, I bought 6.5 yards of raw silk. I used the non-stretchy raw silk. So I used 2.5 yards for the upper part. Then for the lower part, I used 3.5 yards for the pleating. That is why for this purple color, the pleating is more fuller than the peach color. So if you want your pleat to be more fuller, you need to increase the yardage of the fabric for the lower part. All my bubu dresses always come with a scarf. I always buy extra half yard for scarf. So just like we did with the peach color, I folded the 3.5 yards into 2. Then you will mark your gown length. The folded edge, you will split it into 2. You will place the upper part on the lower part. You will mark your gown length and cut it out. Then after that, take the upper part to the embroidery design to design for you. After that, you pleat the lower part to the upper part. You hem the sleeve opening, you will sew the sides, hem the down part, and that's about it for today's tutorial. This is the final outcome of all the styles. As you can see, it is very easy to make. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.